too close. Okay, dokie. Oh, okay. Now. Woo, okay. This review, I wasted 12 seconds. This review is for a tactical flashlight. It's by Night Provision. This is the light. You can see it's been used a lot. It has, the main button is here, and it's really bright. There's a side button that goes through the modes. So you've got barely there, a little brighter, 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 even brighter. I think there's 5 modes. Ooh, don't look into the light. It has a belt clip. It also comes with a case for the flashlight. To be honest, I don't know where that went, but it's nice. It's 1000 lumen LED. It's about 7 inches, 1.1.5 in diameter. It is made of anodized aircraft aluminum. It's waterproof, impact resistant, weather resistant. Evidently it's not scratch proof because my husband's put this through some heck though. The only thing I don't like is this says this says hot surface. This thing, it's already hot. I think if you put it on the, we use it on vacation fishing. When you put it on the brightest mode, it got so hot that we couldn't even hold it. And it really didn't take very long. I can't tell you how long it took. I don't remember. Vacation was 2 weeks ago. It doesn't take a typical battery. It takes a CR123A. Takes 2 of them, sorry. So it's not your typical battery. So we didn't have that in the house, so we had to go buy that. And I thought, well, maybe he got the wrong battery, but no, it's the right one. But I guess other than that, it's fine. So you can go to nightprovision.com, search Night Provision TX11 Tactical Flashlight Torch Cree, CREE XPL / HD 1000 lumen LED. The bulb is LED. Forgot that. So that's all I've got. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe. You know the deal if you watch my videos.